All right, we're now recording the sewer line here at 1616 Northwest 80th Street. We're recording this from our trench out near the sidewalk, in between the sidewalk and the curb for the street. What you're looking at there is an open pipe where the homeowner just took the clean-out cap off. We're going to record coming backwards from here and get an idea of what this line looks like. The side sewer lateral coming out to the sidewalk spot. Oh shit, I didn't have the sound on. Recording the sewer line here at 1616 Northwest 80th. What you're looking at is the open pipe where the homeowner just took the cap off. This is cast iron pipe, 4-inch. We're recording this from the trench we dug out near the sidewalk, in between the sidewalk and the curb for the street. So we'll be pulling back from here and get a look at the side sewer line. This is our cast iron to concrete connection coming back right here. Back in our repair now, and I'm going to end the recording there.